Hello! Old friends and new friends, welcome all of you to our live video show at the 127th Canton Fair. We are so glad to use this new way to introduce our main products we are shelf to you. I'm Lucky Huang, Sales Manager of Zhongshan Changsheng Mental Products Limited Corporation. I have over 10 years sales experience of well-sharing products. Our sales team has about 13 excellent sales with professional product knowledge and storage solution experience. We hope to offer more high cost-effective and good quality well-shelf products for our clients. So if you have any question or inquiry of our products, please leave us your message and contact us.
Hello everyone, I'm Susan, Sales Group Leader of Zhongshan Changsheng. I have 6 years sales experience of ride-sharing products. I feel so happy to meet with you on this Canton Fair video. So, Lucky and I will share with you more of our latest hot sale wine shirts for both home stores and commercial display. Please follow up with us.
Hello, I'm Nunu. I'm Xiao from the factory. I'm very happy to take part in the Canton Fair radio show.
Okay, let's introduce our factory information to everyone. We are over 20 years factory. Many produce household wire sharing, industrial wire sharing, and customized metal wire products. Our factory has certified and audited by NSF and BSCI organization, exporting to over 70 countries, about 40% to US and Canada, 18% to European countries, UK, Germany, Spain, Italy, France, and Hungary, etc. are our clients. 35% for Asian market, especially 15% to Japan market for over 70 years. Singapore, Thailand, Indonesia, Philippines, and India are our clients. We also have clients in the market of South American and African countries. If you want to know if we have already clients in your market or not, please leave us message or contact our sales on this video.
Our current output is over 60 pieces, 40 high-Q containers a month, but we have capability to produce 80 pieces, 40 high-Q containers in a month. In this factory, we also have our new factory is under construction. It will be ready at the end of this year. The area could be more than 30,000 square meters.
As our product is DIY, different clients will have different styles and size, different weld thickness, different surface finish, different poster diameter, different accessories. So we have 6,000 items number right now, and these are our certificates. If you are from US and Canada, you would know NSF certificate is very important for our wire sharing products, especially industrial wire shelves, restaurant kitchen equipment, and the hospital storage use. NSF certificate is must required. Otherwise, it's not qualified by food and health industry requirement. BSCI is required by many famous retailer clients. It's a social responsibility factory audit. We have cooperated with some big retailers by this requirement.
This is our SGS Chrome salty spray testing report. Our chrome quality is over grade A. We have our own salty spray testing machines for the test in-house. And we also send our products to SGS for quality testing. And this is our national quality inspection report.